Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about Kekule structure of benzene. This is a structure that we have did earlier also, but now we are going to do a very deep analysis that what is actually the Kekule structure of benzene. So let's talk about that. So Kekule have proposed a structure of benzene in which it has consisted the 6 carbon atoms that were being arranged in a cyclic form, and each hydrogen atom was being attached to that is the carbon atom. And the cyclic form of the chain that has been proposed by the Kekules was a very important role in formation of or to understand resonance. So the structure of the Kekule was as follows that I am going to draw it now. So this was the cyclic form of the carbon atoms, and each carbon atom consisted of a hydrogen atom over here. So as you could see, and the carbon-carbon double bond was in an alternate position. So therefore, I could write it over here in this form. So eventually, this structure could be written as in this form also. So even this is the structure of Kekule, and moreover, the structure that has been represented by Kekule can have said that the delocalization of the pi electrons could also take place, and that's the reason that we could see that this structure could be made in this form also. That is, so in this case, the carbon-carbon double bond was present at this position, but now it would be in an alternate position, making this to be having a structure like this one. So therefore, this structure can be easily resembled to the structure that we have, or we could draw it in this way. So this is basically showed the delocalization of the electrons. But one more thing that the Kekule structure didn't mention about, and that is the stability. Benzene is more stable compound when it comes to the stability of it, and it is also a thermal stable compound. And so that was not been discussed by Kekule, and that's the reason that because of which the resonance structure of the benzene was played a very important role, so as to explain the stability of a benzene or stability of an aromatic compound. So that is the thing, that this was the structure that was being very much influenced in drawing the resonating structures of the benzene, and that's the reason this is the Kekule's structure of benzene that I have mentioned over here. So that's it. And moreover, when we are talking about, then he couldn't explain that the addition reaction is not taking place in that is in this structure, while we could see that the substitution reaction would take place. So it is dependent on the basically the stable structures of the benzene, and that's the reason because of which the electrons that are being rotating around, or they are being not localized on one position. That's the reason they are delocalized electrons that have been present in benzene, and that's the reason addition reaction doesn't take place in a normal condition, and that was going to be proposed by the Kekules. So that's it. So this was the thing that I wanted to explain about the Kekule structure of benzene. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and will share this video with the friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.